How to publish a website in Wix easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to publish a website on Wix. So let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna open up wix.com and sign into your account. Once you sign in, you will be able to create a new website, or if you already have a website created, you're gonna select that website. So I have selected this one. It will take you to your dashboard of that website. Then you're going to click on Edit Site. Once you click on Edit Site, it will take you to your Wix editor. And here, I will be able to customize my website. You're going to, of course, edit your website, add pages, add images, everything. And once your website is created and you feel like your website is done, then you will find the Publish option right here. You can see, click Publish to go live with your latest changes. I can also get a preview before I publish, and we also have save option just to save all of the changes that you have done. I'm gonna click on publish right here. Once you click on publish, your website is published. You can see, congratulations, your site is published and live online. Now I can visit my website if I want. This is my domain right here. Click on done, and that's it. Your website is published with Wix. You can also connect a domain name if you want to, and that can be done within your website dashboard. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.